Friends, we have already seen in the major arcana that when our fool started on his journey, the first person he came across was the magician. And when he encountered the magician, he had presented our fool with the 4 tools. Which were these 4 tools? The first was the wand, the second was the cup, the third was the sword, and the fourth was the pentacle. When the magician had presented our fool with these 4 tools, he had also given him the potential to create anything in each of these realms, represented by the wands, cups, swords, and pentacles. These 4 realms were the realms of work, career, creativity, emotions and relationships, thoughts and intellect, and money and material matters. Our minor arcana aces connect to the major arcana magician card, friends. Our aces represent new beginnings. We can create anything new in that realm which the suit represents, for which we have drawn out the ace. So for example, we draw out the ace of cups. We have the potential here to create anything new in the area of emotions and relationships. So our aces represent new beginnings, a new seed, maybe a new offer that we have come across. They are the very raw potential. Friends, they are hope itself. Now we can create anything. There is the possibility to create anything. Let us look at the 4 aces. The ace of wands represents new work potential, new potential for action, potential for creativity. It is the creative energy. Along with that, it gives us confidence, enthusiasm, and courage. The Ace of Cups represents birth of new emotion and feeling. It also talks about new relationships or the potential of a new relationship. It talks about new love, spark, and opportunity in the love realm. Ace of Swords is the card of mental force. It brings with it immense potential for thought, ideas. It is also the truth card, my friends, because swords have the potential to cut through all lies and reach the truth. It shows now is the time when we can sharpen our intellect. It is the card of justice and truth. It shows new ideas. It shows victory and success. Ace of Pentacles is about having a new seed in the area of materialism, material comforts, material pleasures. It shows a promise that now we have the potential to develop whatever we want in the material world. Financially, it gives us wealth opportunities. It is a very practical suit. It brings with it immense luck and wealth.